Hi everybody, this is CR number 23, helper video number 2. It says which graph represents the line containing the point 2, -1 and has a slope of -1/2. All right, well, first thing we know is if the slope is negative, it goes uphill. If a slope is negative, it goes downhill. Oh boy, my brain is not working. From left to right if it's negative. So right now, this first one goes downhill, second one goes downhill, third one goes downhill. D does not go downhill, it goes uphill, so we can eliminate that one right away. E goes downhill, so all the other ones are contenders, but that first letter D is not a contender because it's a positive slope. Now it has to contain the point 2, -1. So I'm going to first start with A. 2, -1 looks like this. If I start at 0, 0 and go over to 2 and then go down 1, it would have to go through a point that's about here. So guess what? This one is not the graph. So let's go to B. If I go over 2 and then down 1, that looks like it might actually sit on the grid or on the graph. So that could be a possibility. But let's keep checking. If I go to the next one and I go over 2, 1, 2 and down 1, it's nowhere near that graph, so this one is also out. Let's look at letter E. If I go 1, 2 and down 1, that would be a beautiful point on that grid as well. So now what I'm looking for is a slope of -1/2. Remember, slope means rise over run. So if I have -1/2, let me rewrite it here. A -1 means I'm going to go down 1 because my rise, which is my y, which is up and down, is a negative number, so that means I go down 1. The +2 means I go to the right 2. So let's start here. If I go down 1 and to the right 2, it would mean I would have a point here. Down 1 to the right 2, 1, 2 would mean I have a point here. So guess what? This graph is not a slope of -1/2. But let's try this one. If I go down 1 into the right 2, bam, I land on that graph. If I go down 1 into the right 2, bam, I'm on that graph. So this one, even if I go up 1 and to the left 2, bam, I'm on that graph. So guess what? That is the correct slope, and it goes through the point 2, -1. That's my answer. Good luck.